You can sneak in quite a few exercises between work and taking care of house and family. Here's a few ideas I've found work well. For an easy, inexpensive cardiovascular workout, try using a jump rope. Jumping rope for 20 minutes a day, every day, can help improve your overall fitness level. Another option is to try a home exercise video, one that you'll enjoy doing and that's right for you. These videos range in length of total workout time and offer a variety of exercises like aerobics, Pilates, and muscle toning. Pick one that works with your level of fitness and make a routine to try and do it every day. It can be less expensive than a gym membership and more flexible to fit your schedule. I've also found that household chores are a great way to burn calories and stretch and tone your muscles. Your goal should be lots of movement in short periods, like up and down movements when washing shower doors or cleaning mirrors. Put on some fast music, create a playlist with rock, salsa, or whatever you like. This helps you pick up speed and enjoy your workout.